Hey guys, I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about work from home. Let's introduce. The world has witnessed and continue to do so once in the centuries arises in the form of COVID-19 pandemic. It has not only resulted in the unprecedented facilities and infection among the people and all that. So, in the absence of vaccines and highly infection nature of the COVID-19, complete with the strict guidelines issued for the World Health Organization. So government had taken some interest measurements in the form of the nationwide lockdown to arrest and as far so possible to the spread of virus and to save the maximum lives. So restriction on the movement and the necessity of the maintaining proper physical distance among the people to prevent the spread of the virus and the business during the lockdown period and all the will not be usual. Many employees, if not all, they're trying to explore the work from home. So, as a potential substitute to prevailing the work arrangements in foreseeable future. So, which is serving the cause of employers in 1933. The facilities member clients and other partners work from home to proceed the prevailing crisis for those who opportunity to replace the current jobs or cooperative work from home along with the current working pattern on a hybrid mode. So, what is work from home? So, due to the COVID-19, the employees, everyone has some of the idea for work from home. However, it largely varies based on different perceptions. Here there is a different between the two. So, it is a telework also, and also the it's performed from home also, but also the work which can be performed while traveling. So it's a benefit of that. So work from is an alternate way of organizing tasks that may be defined as the work which can be performed from home. So like offices, employees to work their lab activities through the use of information technology and all that. So it may be for temporary period or the long term duration as an alternate to the traditional way of doing work. Next is benefits of employee. So every even before many companies were forced to implement work from home is on paper manner. So service based company, especially the IT and software such as Tata Consulting, the TCS, Infosys, and all that companies have already used the measures since quite some time. So however, it not entertainment has a right to enter to the employees. Rather, it can be so largely and circumstances to the employees whose job responsibilities were suited for such an arrangement. So it is there have been studies to substantiate that working from home and can benefit the employees and to the society as all. Next one is benefit of employers. So work from home can result improve productivity than the conventional working style. Next one is reduction in turnover rate. Next one is reduction in organization cost. Next one is employees can be heard from the wider talent pool as work from home will be the unstrained from the geographical condition. And next is in case of unrest event such as a natural calamity, distributed workforce ensures a continuity in operation and hence reduces the risks. Next one is benefit for employees. So it helps in reduction for continuity time. So especially important in the Indian tax people spending average 7% of day in community. Reduce travel, lower level of stress in employee for the better work-life balance, increase autonomy for the individuals like family and leisure times, increase satisfaction and less distracted by the co-workers. Next is concern for the employees. So data security, a threat, internally proper rights and issues for cyber security and all that for the industry consider work from home arrangement. The performance management also going to be changed in case of work from management. The nations among in that they can't directly observe their subordinates while working. Evaluation and giving constructive feedback will be seriously hampered. Like trust in innovation and problem solving, pioneer research of Bloom suggests that face-to-face meetings are essential for developing new ideas and keeping staff motivated and focused. So concern for next is concern for employees, internet connectivity, internet power supply, issues with the female employees in India, in-laws, Sikh families, members, household. Next is challenging a set of common work from home for the parents with younger children, managing their kids and all that. So it's very difficult in adjusting between the work and home time, feeling loneliness, depression due to the social isolation. Next is some employees may be redirected telecommuted because of the perception that working remotely hinders promotional opportunities. So towards the concerns of society, so domestic violence, although the work from home provide immense opportunity for whom to get integrated in the workforce, however there is a surge in domestic violence cases when they work from home. So increased isolation, one of the negative conceptions of the working from home is that the social connect among the peoples, employees are missing, and staying indoor can aggravate the mental health issue for many times at all. So thank you.